Hey everyone, welcome back to Sam's Tech Room. Today I'm bringing you a highly requested tutorial on how to get the ultimate Pokemon Go spoofer for both iOS and Android. This includes the joystick, teleportation, and the tap to walk features, meaning you can play Pokemon Go entirely from the comfort of your home. Before we get into the exact steps, let me show you some gameplay so you can see exactly how it works. Make sure you stick around until the very end so you don't miss any crucial steps. Right now, I'm recording this on my iPhone, but the process is absolutely identical if you're on an Android device. As you can see on my screen, I have the joystick enabled and the tap to walk option active, letting me navigate the map without even stepping foot outside. This is a massive game changer, especially if you have a limited data plan, if you're unable to go outside, or if you just want to relax at home. I can also pull up the map, type in any city in the world and instantly teleport there. Just find a spot. Hold down on your screen, hit teleport, and boom. You're there in seconds. If you live in a rural area or a small town where nothing spawns, this feature lets you jump into massive cities to catch rare Pokemon and join huge raid events easily. So how do you actually install this Pokemon Go tweak on your device? It's super simple. Grab your smartphone. You must do this from a mobile browser for it to work. Open up Safari, Chrome, or whatever browser you prefer, and head directly to gogospoof.cc. Make sure you spell it exactly as it appears on my screen so you end up on the correct official page. Once you load up the site, use the search bar to find the Pokemon Go offer. Now, a quick warning. Because this is so incredibly popular right now, the site only allows a limited number of daily downloads to keep the servers safe and undetected. If you see it available, tap to unlock it immediately. Because a lot of bots try to scrape this site, you will likely encounter a quick human verification step. Don't worry, it is completely free and takes less than a minute. Just follow the simple instructions on the screen to verify you are a real human, and the installation will automatically finish on your phone. This method is completely updated for the latest iOS and Android updates. If you guys get this working, please let me know down in the comments. If you get stuck or have any questions, drop a comment and I'll do my best to help you out. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Sam's Tech Room for more awesome tech tutorials, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.